Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. We're going to find the values of x and y given x squared minus y squared is equal to 2 and x squared plus xy is equal to 3. So the first step is label our equations, equation 1 and equation 2. So after that, we're going to, from equation 1, realize x squared minus y squared is a difference of two squares. So we're going to have x squared minus y squared is equal to 2. This is the same as x plus y into x minus y is equal to 2. Then we can call this equation 3. Then from equation 2, we have x squared plus xy is equal to 3, and x is a common factor, so we can factor out x such that we have x into x plus y is equal to 3. Then we can make x plus y the subject, so we shall have x plus y is equal to 3 over x. This is equation 4. Then from there, we are going to substitute equation 4 into equation 3. So this is going to become 3 over x into x minus y is equal to 2. So this is the same as 3 into x minus y over x is equal to 2 over 1. The LCM here is x. So we are going to have 3 into x minus y is equal to 2x. So 3x minus 3y is equal to 2x. So x minus y minus 3y is equal to 0 when we collect like terms. So can make x a subject, so x will be equal to 3y. This is equation 5. So we're going to substitute equation 5 into equation 1. So this is going to be 3y squared minus y squared is equal to 2. So 9y squared minus y squared is equal to 2. So 8y squared is equal to 2. So y squared is equal to 1 over 4. Then y is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 over 4. Then our y is equal to plus or minus a half. So we are going to substitute y is equal to plus or minus a half into equation 5. So for y is equal to a half, x is equal to 3 times a half, which is 3 over 2. So this is 3 over 2 and a half. Then for y is equal to negative a half, x is equal to 3 times negative a half, which is negative 3 over 2. So this is negative 3 over 2 and negative a half. So therefore xy is equal to 3 over 2 and a half and negative 3 over 2 and negative a half. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. See you in the next video.